All we have to do is this entire staircase leading up to the second floor. This walkway right here. This walkway from that line all the way to that line. All right, so we got, like I said, walkway up there. Not doing any of this. Moving on to that little thing right there. And we do have something in the back. And we do have that up there. So don't have to worry about the first floor. Just those little posts right there, one on the other side and the top. Let's get this thing cracking. So when doing decks like this, I do spray down my SH mix and I hit it with my J-rod on my fan rinse tip, because it's enough pressure but without too much pressure. So it's not the white tip, but it's enough pressure to where definitely restore this the way it should be restored without too much pressure and furring it up. You guessed it, that's rain. That's why I didn't film as much of the second one, because I was afraid I was gonna get caught in the rain. That's exactly what happened. I got caught in the rain. Man, this sucks. But you know what they say, washing in the rain is actually pretty good because it helps rinse. It also helped rinse me because I'm soaked, man. I get a poncho or something. Sun's back out. Let's get back to deck. Is looking pretty good so far. Got to go back and touch it up in a few places, but on camera it doesn't look as good because it doesn't take the bright colors, but trust me, it looks good. Man, I am soaked. Not the first time, not the second time, not the third time. I stayed getting caught in the rain, but got the job all done. Let's go ahead and take a look at it real quick. Concrete, washed. You can see where I stopped right there. That's all washed. Same thing right there, stopped. Looks crazy on camera, I'm not even gonna lie, but up close and personal, looks brand spanking new. The back looks the exact same. I'm not gonna make my way up there, but caught in the rain, ready to go, drenched, tired, wet, hungry. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. Two things I learned from today. One, test your stuff before you gotta wash. Should have put everything together yesterday after getting it all back and testing it, so shame on me. And two, check the weather. It said it wasn't gonna rain, but it rained on me, drenched. Oh well. Gino, owner and operator.